So yes, my blessings crew, welcome back to my channel. This is Marcia Lifestyle, and I'm back, guys, with another video. And guys, remember, with God everything is possible. Without him we are nothing. So guys, today I'm heading to St. Mary at Stewart Mountain River. So it's the first I'm going there. I heard it's a beautiful river. So a friend of mine that living in St. Mary, yes, she's the one gonna bring us there. So I hope you will enjoy the river. I enjoy anywhere I stop along the way to St. Mary. Okay guys, enough blessings to you all, and thank you guys for stopping by, subscribing to my channel, viewing my videos, liking it up, leaving a nice comment. Thank you guys for showing me all that love. Please remember to turn that post notification bell on. That's whenever I post a video, you guys are the first one to be notified. Okay, my blessings crew, and thank you again, guys. I appreciate all the strength that you are giving me, guys. Yes, man, Marcia Lifestyle appreciate all the strength you're giving me, guys. Enough love, guys, to you all, guys. So let's hit the road, guys. Enough blessings. So guys, I'm on my way to St. Mary. So I'm gonna catch a little of the road plan for you. On my way to St. Mary. So this is just it, guys. A little of the road plan. So we're entering St. Anne. Welcome to St. Anne. Sorry, St. Anne before you go St. Mary. Enjoy with the kids, I know, the seaside right here. It's a nice view, guys. It's a nice background, and that's a backside ship that carry the material from the backside. Blessings, you know. So when you guys visit Jamaica, you pass in this area, you can make a stop right here. You cannot go over by the sea, but open up for me. But at least, you know, you can stop here and have a rest, you know, in my rest spot. Yes, right? You have time to go on the man. This is a part of St. Anne, guys. You know, I'm in St. Anne. So.
You want to run past the yacht?
They might run and go. Or work them and go.
In the blue grass.
So man, I run across road.
Oh? Man, look up good. Run across the road.
Go walk past.
There's a dog, cow. And goat, take taxi. Goat not paying fare, so you need to be able to come in run.
Yeah.
Cow paying full fare, so you need to cross road.
It take time slowly go cross.
Time and go cross slowly.
You have to wait for him time big. You guys, we make a stop right here. So me leave my bad suit, guys. So I'm gonna look at cheap one in MK Fashion and Gift. Yeah, man. So we know Chirias right now. The body part is fit, but not the breast. So this is a breast part that fit me. Yeah, I'm going to come up, you know. I'm going to come up, guys. I really love lessons.
You look one, Jake. You know, buy what you want. Let me pick up one for you. Look at this something.
Something better there. Yeah. Touch for now. It's a big Chinese store, guys. Sell a whole lot of stuff inside here. For them, some of them are real and some of them are fake, you know. Hey, chinny them took over. See, guys? Pure in the calf brand. Pure in the calf brand, guys. Look at this. Pure in the calf brand in here, guys. People go buy them because they look nice. Look, they look nice and hot. But them plated, my plated earring when they say serve long. I want me have here. Look at that. Sorry, man. Earrings and rose are nice. They're big, guys. Look. It's a big store. See how we great Dennis Brown here? Yeah, man. And the Bob again. Yeah. Some nice painting with them. Welcome to the fish spot on White River, you know. My second time stopping here to get a breakfast. But the first time I didn't video all of these. Just seen them, you know. And the great Marcus Mosiah Garvey, you know. Picture that, you know. One of our national hero of Jamaica. Yeah, man. So the thing set, you know. So you can sit here and dine too, you know, at the fish pot at White River. Enjoy your meal. A nice meal, yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, you see sky, guys. Yeah, man, up them place here, St. Mary, Portland. Rainfall all the time, so you always have the nice river them flowing up here, you know. Always have the nice river them flowing up here. The rainfall almost every single day. Yeah. So guys, we're heading to the Stewart River, guys. Them say fall is around here, so and maybe we can get rain again, guys. So when I reach there, show you the river and the fall, whatever it is, it's there. Let's go look, guys. How far around? Oh, me go with them, sir. My old lady I got to know over. So guys, we almost reach. Almost. You know, after around 14 miles of driving from the road. You know, I've never been here before. So we almost reach, guys. See, ladies, them don't know where it is. Them know where it is. What is that? Oh, Aklum. Aklum, we call them Achulani. How do they call him, Diane? Okay. Aklum. Aklum that. Yes. Aklum. I look up at them, you so eat it. Smaller, but it's sweet. Guava tree. Guava out there. Like, like to turn here, so. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh my gosh. So this is one of the far place, guys. So we're on our way, guys. On our way. Yes, down the river. Body. I trod down. You know? But yeah, the water, like if I fall down if it real. Whew. Yeah. So slippery. Wow. Oh my gosh. If you did buy what we buy if you cook already, when I just cook and done. But so she say rain or fall, guys, is a different plan. You would them the fire stick them wet up, guys, so no fire. So where the falls at now. So we reach. Can see the place, guys. It looks like it's so beautiful. A nice river. Water look clean. Yeah, rain fall so much up here. It's sandy too. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Pure sun around here. Sun. Pure sun. And got that. This guy's got the falls. Nice, man. Really nice. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Nice place, man. Yeah. Whew. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful, guys. This is so much beautiful. Wow. Why me have to go in the water? I can't video me have to go in the water. Okay, yeah, we come over from Cannon Shop. Huh? No, I'm saying, can you with the come river in Cannon Shop? Switch off and wait with us. You really look nice. They can't swim in, but I love river. But the water not pass my knee. Yeah, make the water not pass my knee. Water not kiss me on my waist, and the water not wash my waist. I love water. I love water. Yeah, so water they come from this one. Where they come from? I don't know. So we couldn't cook all under here, so. What's my step, man? The people cook all that so. Nice, man. Really nice. For real. Nice. For real. Then nice rock there. Not pretty man. Around here so near Stewart Mountain. Stewart Mountain River, guys. This is far away because it's not on the map, it's hard to find. So you can just come out right over. How can you find this river, Kim? Where they have to come and ask? Or you come around over and then ask the Stewart Mountain River. Then you can get a direction to here, guys. It's very beautiful. Look at it. Yeah, it's something to enjoy. You have some nice rocks over there. You can take pictures of it. Oh my Lord. We just go enjoy the day, yeah, man. So don't worry. Today we go buy nothing to cook. Because you don't say rain or fall, we don't buy nothing to cook. We have pots and pan and table and everything in the back of the bus. No, we say we have pots and pans and table and everything in the back of my bus. So you don't say rain or fall, you don't worry. And sun tries over the today, you know. Maybe there for it. I don't know, maybe there. Alright, go on with the thing. Let me see you take a truck off there. Let's take a dive. Take a dive. Hey, into a chop there. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. That's my son of mine, though. I'm going to the thing in the water there. Yes, man. Yes. Those are my friends, daughter and son-in-law, and you know. Nice, man. Trust me. Yes. Water they come from everywhere, guys. Look at that. Nice, clean, pretty water. Look. Catch me son, jump off, guys. Hey, yes, sir. There. Yeah, man, say deep. Yes, sir. Nice one, look at that. That's what I want to go. Oh, help me go up as well, Ev. Ev. Yeah? Oh, help me go as well. So, guys, this is it. Yes, man. Come back and hold me on. You afraid? You afraid? Wait, you call them?
Next time. Go on.
Who are this one? Nice, that's right. Yes, nice, that's right. Yeah, I fall no and go.
You can walk up there?
Yes, I must have to try. Hi guys, I am exploring Stewart Mountain River. Okay, so if you come down to Ryan over and ask questions, you can find this river, guys. River and Thorn.
Right.
Hmm? The phone? Oh no, open. Oh, look like a hidden phone.
It's beautiful, guys. It is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. You will enjoy it. You know? Yeah, man, you will enjoy it. The nice, cold, nice, guys. You know, I'm going to come on the island. I'm here. But it's nice. Wow. Good. This one, let me know for food.
Water, guys. Yeah, man. Hey! I have to hold on to my son, you know. Try to come out. I got slow for a while. Put on the Wi-Fi now. Grab me. Yeah, I'm sure. That's nice. One little little one, guys. See? Yeah, let's see us, guys. You see? Come on. Wash all the face, you know? Now drink it. Just wash the face off, you know? Nice, man. Nice, me, I tell you. Nice. Oh. That's long for a while. Whew. Yes, Diane, nice, man. Nice. Come meet me now. Me never here.
It move like a punch.
What do you say to that? What's up with the Yeah.
You see your love face yourself, man. You see your love face yourself now. I'm in the video with you now.
You can't deal with me with it no water. You have to take care of it.
Come on now. Yeah. You want to carry and take pictures in China?
I don't carry phone now, I see your phone. I want to picture next time when you come back. Carry out and you can't take picture of me.
No, man. That green, you know. We have to do cooking today, guys, but it was a rainy day. Can't do any cooking today. They stick them or they're wet.
Guys, the rain was falling, so you can't bother do no cooking, so we're just enjoying the river.
What about the two again? What about the two again? Yeah, go, man. I just say, come down after this, sir. Come back down. You're not drop, man. I live in points. Yeah? manage it. I'm glad the manage it much less you. I think I can put that open already. Open already.
Come on, some man. Go walk this one. Walk this one. Go make you sit down. Go make you come on here and sit down. And put something up for you. Come on, come on, Pastor. Take on the stone. Walk on the stone. Come here, sir. Wait, man. Don't take on your slipper. I want to slipper. Don't take on it. Step down this one. You're not allowed. Just walk on the stone. You must can't walk on the stone. Walk down this one, man. You see the video, man? Come and sit down on there, sir. Come here, sir. Yes, sir. No, people. You okay? Something ready? So just enjoy it. It's CJ. Well, like. Mommy, go down there, sir, mommy. Go cross this one. Just hold on. Mommy. You can't go down in the sun, sit down there, mommy. Put your foot down there. Look, mommy. Look, mommy, come. You can't come here, so look. Come here, so. Come sit down here, so. Come sit down here. So far. But this can go on the water, that's all. This can go on the water. Why? No, this way I say go bro. Why? Oh. You ready to come out? Come on, come on. Eh? Come on, mom.
Alright.
Hmm? Mm-hmm. Oh, come on, yeah. Hmm? Hmm? Just a minute. These are slippery, you know. They're slippery. How many? Don't step on the stone, they're slippery this thing. The one there, the manga one. Just come home. Boy, no one here with it. No. Bueno, tomando. Dan mami sa tuno ba? Come now.
Enjoy yourself, guys. It's so nice and beautiful out here.
Kung walang pamisol, ito yun naman. Come on. Boy. You thirsty? Una vez le come kayo di amigo. Mami, aso ko ay di aso. Galang man, kuboy dito na. Wali.
I don't care you. It's trouble. Then, and if you go on the 22, one part all the way slung, coming like a bubble bath. It's nice, yes. You know what I tell her about it? One part the way around that so. The slung in and the water comes so like the bubble up. Yeah man, I don't know, you need to go there around that so.
Never so far.
Round the man, you sit down in there. You sit down.
Never so far. Right. Yeah, go wet up, mommy. Yeah, go wet up.
Yeah, come on, I'm going to do that. Eh? Yeah, I'm here, wake up. Why? Eh? Oh. Huh? Come on. Those are my friend guys over there. My son and my friends. Right over there. So guys, instead of we cook, we just have some KFC instead. You know, we just have some KFC instead. Because we didn't get to cook, you know. So next time I cook guys. Next time I will cook. Yeah man. Next time I will cook. When I go to the river. Whether rain or shine, we just go and cook. You know, and see it work out. Yeah man. In fact, the video finally come to an end guys. So we leave the river. We didn't do any cooking because as my friend they told me that rain was falling. So
I will go see piece of it.
I will come see a little piece of it. So that is just it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. And peace out, my blessings crew. Peace. Some of my say peace out. Alright, see you in the next video guys. And blessings. And if you reach this far guys, just give the video a thumbs up. Okay? I'm out.